this before, it keeps on skipping that webhook and it's not working. It's not sending the contact records to the WP Fusion log. The support says just add this parameter, but that did not really help how your subdomain must be set up if you are working for your WordPress membership site and with WP Fusion. Hi, Danica here, and I design WordPress membership sites. Now in this video, this is gonna be a very quick one. When you have subdomain for your membership site, make sure that it says DNS only. Because if it's proxy, there's some protection going on that's blocking the webhook from WP Fusion, which ending up keeps on failing when we tested it. So as an example, this before, it keeps on skipping that webhook and it's not working. It's not sending the contact records to the WP Fusion log. The support says just add this parameter, but that did not really help. So it was just this section that I've missed to change. So just want to make sure I share that so that in case you are also wondering or have the same problem where your webhook has some skip in here, review your DNS settings because that may be the issue. So yeah, now after testing that, this becomes successful and this is now working. So I hope this video helps and you have learned something from it. Now if you're still feeling stuck on how to create and manage your WordPress membership site, visit us at wpmembershipdesigns.com where you can learn how we can help with your projects, and you may also book a call to determine if we are the right fit for your needs. Again, thanks for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this, please comment it down below and I'll do my best to answer your question as soon as I could, or else create a separate video tutorial regarding that. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.